Morning, 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 people. Morning, morning. Today, I'm telling you, it's been a challenge last week. Up to this week, it's been a challenge because it's not an easy task. Day trading, though, so don't take it lightly. Always make sure you're serious and ready, okay? And make sure you know you take loss or your profit before you even enter a trade. Very, very important. All right, let's go to the chart and see what's happening right now. We're looking at SPY. Yep, let's see what SPY is up to right now. All right, so seems like it's breaking down, in which the market itself is not looking too good. But I don't know how far it's gonna go. So I would like to catch this move, but I don't know how far it's gonna go. So let's see if it's gonna bounce before I enter the trade. Because you never know. You never know what can happen. So you have to bear that in mind. Bear that in mind. Just to make sure whenever you are taking a trade, you wait for that setup entry before you enter it. Because you will never know, as I said before. Just to make sure whenever you. Let me see the second candle. On the second candle, I would enter, people. So push me luck. Let me see what's happening. Let's see what's happening on this one. All right. On the second candle, let's see what happens. All right. So this candle. So the buyers are coming in. Buyers are coming in, and that's a problem right now. Buyers are coming in, but it seems like the sellers are more in control right now. But the buyers are coming in, so we have to make sure to wait for that entry or a setup for the entry. I'm on the 1 minute chart right now. See that? If I went in, I'll probably get stopped out. So it's always best to watch the opening and see where the direction of the market or the market sentiment is going on. So we always have to look at that. And I'm telling you, day trading is not easy, like for real. So if you're not serious about it, do not put your money in the market. Best advice I can give anyone right now. I know paper trading is totally different from actually trading your own money. It doesn't give you that emotional feeling, but right now, if you're not sure, do some paper trading. But I'm one to advise anyone, make sure you use your money first. If you can control your money, I don't think you can control anybody else's money. And that's my advice. In my opinion, that's what I would say. So before I enter this one, I'm making sure see that perfect setup, which I doubt, but let's see. And yeah, as you can see, the buyers are coming in. Buyers are coming in versus the sellers over here. See? So the sellers are Yep, that's why you get that big move a while ago. You see that big number, and this is the level 2 right here, people. So that's how you read and you see the momentum. If you see a lot of big numbers over here, you see what direction the stock is gonna go. So bear that in mind as well. So that's why I keep it up here. So you see that big number. So the sellers are in control now, because you notice there's mostly big numbers over the ask. So they're selling a lot. But the buyers seem to be very strong too. So you see the price still moving up. So you don't know exactly what's going on yet. So let's watch and see where we can go and make an entry. But originally start bias. As you can see, I'm in my put. I have my put set up already, queue up and ready. So I'm waiting for that perfect entry for me. You know what I mean? And this is the weighted volume right here. To give you an estimate of where most people would come in and buy. So that's what I'm waiting on to see if it's gonna hit that target up here. Cause I can I I figured if it goes back up to VWAP and stay up at VWAP right here, probably it's gonna set up for a better entry for a lower. You know what I mean? But this up here, this line right here, that's my entry point. That's what I would like to enter on. But let's watch and see what it does. Because these markets is very, very funny. You have to, be patient. Sometimes I go on the direct top that I feel is the top. Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right. So let's see who works today. All right. And remember, when you're going to trade, it doesn't have to work. Get that in your head. It doesn't have to work. Because remember, it's a probability. All right. And this is SPY, so you never know. The market news might say, hey, the market is having a weak sentimental, and then it goes the opposite way too. So you never know. All right. Nobody knows where the market is going. Because if we all did, we would be rich right now. I would be rich. I don't know about you, but I would be rich if I knew where the market was going. I don't. And nobody does. Even the best of the best. But if you're doing this for a while, practice becomes perfect. So my best advice, people, if you really want to get into trading, take it seriously, show up every day. Even when you're getting a beating, like me. Yesterday I lost $40 yesterday. Did I cry? No. But I remember the days when I used to lose $100, $150. I remember those days. So basically what I'm doing is cutting my losses real faster now. Know what I mean? If it's not working in my favor, I cut it. Because guess what? I I really, really, really don't want to lose my money, but sometimes it happens. And from what I understand, it's part of trading. It's definitely part of trading. So you have to understand that you have to take some losses. So I'm waiting on my entry. Today I'm trading SPY, preferably. So you see now. All right, see it's at my point that I wanted it. So that's why you see. Be patient is very important. Being patient is very important. And watch the candles and see where it's gonna go, how it look, and what to do. Because see, it's a tug and war between here. And what you want that nice move downwards if you're going down. You want that nice move upwards if you're going up. You know what I mean? So you see the candles in the middle right here. All right, so let's see what this candle turns out to be. because the sellers are coming in right now. The sellers are coming in for sure. Sellers are coming in for sure. I was gonna enter a while ago, but it didn't allow me to enter, which I'm glad I didn't. So sometimes when you have technical difficulties, that's good too. It's pushing up, it's pushing higher. I'm more short bias, as I repeat again. I'm short bias, so let's see what happens, because you never know. So you see that? Move from 34 to 35. That's a good move right there. The buyers are way stronger though. That's what I'm in right now. The buyers are way stronger. So I'm waiting for that entry. So basically, I'm not rushing this trade today because I want to make some money today. Like really me to make some money. So I'm not rushing. So so the buyers are in control a little. This is that's for sure. I would be wiped out right here. So I'm watching to get that sniper entry. Yes, that's what I'm looking at right now. All right, seems that the momentum is cooling down, which is good because this is a doji right here, so it's showing a sign of reversal right now, saying the market itself is saying that we're probably too high. So let's see. And this candle hasn't been up. So let's see what happens. All right. So we are in this one. There you go. All right. All right. There you go. See that sniper entry? See that sniper entry? So I caught the top of this one, which is good. All right. It's gonna push lower. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, people. Let's see what happens. Right, there you go. There you go. right? Right back to the low of day. Right back to the low of day. Alright. I'm out of this one. Here you go. So I caught that move. So I caught that move. See, it's pushing even further. Yep. So I take some profit right here. Who knows? I can probably enter again. But this time I'm size down. So that's a good move. So you see how fast that was? Man, that was a quick move right there. That was really fast. Yes, that one was really fast. That was a good move, really fast. Want a bigger size on this one, cause see that market reversal right there. So basically, what's happening right now? Let me see the fibs. See how I can enter and make some money off this one. All right, there you go. Let's see if it's gonna go right back up there. That would be nice. If it goes right back up there, I will make an entry again. I will make an entry again at that point. Definitely, I will make an entry again on that one. All right, so let's see if it goes back to the eye of day. So we're waiting on that one before I enter again. Yeah, that was a good move downwards. I exit the trade right here, which was that's a good move. If SPY keep moving like this, yeah, I could make some money off SPY. Yes, so that's a good move. So I'm gonna wait until it gets back up here for me to enter again for some puts. So let's see how it goes because you see it's probably gonna go back down because it's right at VWAP and it still didn't close above VWAP, so it can put further down. But the reason why we have the level 2 right here is to see that the sizes that is being bought are being put in on the market. You know what I mean? So it's a bidding war between the two right now, so you don't know which direction really. So as I suggested earlier, this would be a good point for me to get in going downwards. You know what I mean? So it's trickling down this way. So that's pretty good. Let me see if it's a trend line right here. That's pretty good too. Possible. Could work too. What do you think, guys? What do you think? You think this could work? You think this is the think this trend line is valid or what? What do you think? Let me know. I think the trend line is forming right there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how valid this one is and if it's gonna hold it. You know what I mean? It would be nice seeing it put further down, but let's see what happens. Let's see if this trend line is valid. All right. So we have to focus on the process right now. That's what we're doing. So that trend line is technically not valid right now because you see it break through. So let's remove that. It's probably VWAP. I think VWAP is the VWAP is the line right there. So you see 170 people coming in, a lot of people. So let's see what happens. But this is the perfect entry for me up here. 435. All right. So you see it went back up to VWAP, touching the VWAP. So let's see what happens. So I'll be testing this. So this is a resistance right here. Resistance level 535. 435. That's a resistance level right there. So it's yet to break that level this morning. So let's see. All right, let's see what the people is doing right here. They look down here. See, all right. So we have some buyers in it as well. That's a good sign. Yeah, so the buyers are coming in. Buyers are coming in to push it further. So that's good. That's good. So it's gonna go up as the buyers are coming in. Bigger numbers. That's what we use. Bigger numbers over here mostly, because you notice all of these. So the market movers are over here then. That's crazy. That's crazy. But we gotta just watch and wait for that entry. If it doesn't go back to up here, I'm okay with it because I made some money from it already. Move down. It doesn't must have to work like what I said. It's a probability. So you have to work on trades that is in your favor. You try it doesn't must work, but try. If it doesn't work, just try again next day. You know what I mean? So it's something that is not sure. It's not sure. So you have to try. You know what I mean? And look at this. This is a trend upwards. You never know. You have to look on it that way too. You never know. So that's what I that's what I'm focusing on. Process. Yes. That's what I'm focusing on process right now. So I'm thinking about the next trade. The next watching this right now. That's into trading, the Mark Douglas on YouTube. Because it's very helpful. It just put in a zone where you'll be like, oh damn, I really need to think this through. That's part of the process. So check that out. If you don't, well, you're gonna be struggling for a while. Yeah, I'm just being honest. So go and check it out. So uh the sellers are coming in. More sellers are coming in right now. So the price, don't be surprised if the price should move down. Don't be surprised. But right now, it seems as if, how many people was this? Three. Okay. All right. So let me see where the bulk of people, 78. So up here, the bulk of people is at. That's crazy. All right. So that's where I want to go at. If the people are up there, that's where I want to buy at. All right. Because I'm trying to move with the market. I'm moving with the market. So if it moves up there and doesn't break it, then we will have an entry. But right now, right here, this is where the majority of the sellers come in. So if it goes back up there, that would be a nice entry. But you have to watch, look for a reversal candle or something. You know what I mean? It helps, but I wouldn't focus on it. I'm looking at the price action and see what happens. And see it? It's like I'm predicting what's going to happen because I've seen it happen before. Just a matter of being patient. All right. Who knows? It can move back down here. That's a good move too. You know what I mean? Let me see if I set it up. All right. I have my put. I have my orders. So make sure you have your bracket to stop and take profits. All right. Look at that. See that? Right. Let me see. So I'm going to go in on the next candle. As long as the candle is going in the direction that I want, which is down. So let's see. So you see how strong this resistance is. So let's see if people's gonna come in as well. So you use that to validate your entry as well. Cause this is what I'm planning right here. Go in, going on the momentum, going down. So let's see if the buyers, if people are planning the same way I am. That's what I want to see. If people is doing the same thing that I am doing. There you go. I'm all right. There you go. All right. So they stop me out. Stop me out. So that's okay. So that time it didn't go in the direction that I want, which is fine. So I just lost. I don't know if anybody saw that. I just lost, which sometimes it happens. So let's go. Let me see. Let me see how strong this is. Because it doesn't work. Doesn't always work. So let's see. Let's see what happens. All right. So you see the sellers are coming in. So probably if my stop was above here, I'd probably be still in the trade right now. But I got stopped out because I had a short stop, which I'm trying to protect my money as well. So the buyers are stronger now, which is weird. Let me see how much money I have left to trade with, because I don't got a lot of money. But let me see how much money I have to trade with. Damn. So I only can make one more trade. Yeah, I only can make one more trade. So let me see how that works. Let me see how that goes. Let's watch and see. So the sellers are coming in. Sellers are coming in. They're making the big orders over here. So I know I noticed a lot of people wants the same thing as I am. So let's see. Let's see if it goes back up there. That's a pretty move down. I told you people's there. I know people was there waiting. A bunch of people was waiting. A bunch of people was waiting. I knew it. So you see that resistance level is pretty valid because it when the price moves up here, it doesn't pass it. So that's a good sign that I'm probably right. But if you notice, if you look on it, it's moving upwards. So it's in an uptrend right now. So it's probably just a pullback just to cool off a little, which you never know. It can work. You know what I mean? It can work. So you have to bear in mind that part. Would be still in that trade if I had the 10 cent right here. So you see that? Damn. So it moved without me right there. So I got stopped out. Could have really worked if my stop wasn't so tight. I just wasn't willing to lose that amount of money right there. Lose back what I gained. Didn't sign up for that. So you see where the mine is playing tricks right now with you. You got stopped out while it's moving in your direction. See that? So it's basically next time I gotta put my stop right here. Yes, after entry, put my stop right here. Because it's yet to break here, so that's where my stop should be at. I know this, but at the same time, you don't want it to go up there and you just made a winning trade. So it's technically playing with your brain. You know what I mean? You're doing the right thing, but it's still playing with your brain right now. So let's think about the other few trades I can make today. So market reversal right there. See, it can work. It can work. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens because it can work. Let's see if it's going to break this trend line right here. And people, remember, nobody knows where the market is going to go. And I'm going to end this live trading session at 9. So people, just support the channel, smash that like button for me, and stay tuned, and let's make some money. You know what I mean? Let's see if it's going to go back up there again. And let's see what it's going to do, because that's part of the process. Let's see what it's going to do. All right. Let's see if it's that trend forming right here. Let's see if it's a trend forming right here, people. Because you never know. That trade was a good trade earlier, but the second one got stopped out, which was fine. Could have made some money still. Let's see what happens. So I'm watching this trade set up. See if I can get an entry. Not gonna lie. I've been running up, bro. AMD has been low too, but SPY is for the overall market. So I'm drinking my shake that I made this morning. So the sellers coming in. See that move, sharp move down? That's a nice move right there. So you know the market movers are right here. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. The market movers came in and pushed the price down lower, which is good. So see, this is the low. So it's just a break here. So whenever it comes here, it's returning up there. So let's put a mark right here and see if we can probably get along. So it's yet to pass this level right here. Let's see if it's a trend forming right here and if it's valid. See what the people is doing. See? Break through. Let's see if it's gonna hold it. Let's see if it's gonna hold above this trend line. If not, the buyers are still strong. That's what I get from this. Going back to VWAP, above VWAP. Right? It's going for that run up. Let's see what happens, people. So I have my put ready. Let's see what the market is doing, people. We don't know, but let's see what the market is doing. I got to sit and watch this. Trade plans out. The setup plans out. Let's see. So the buyers are coming in. The sellers are there, but they're not strong enough. So the buyers are coming in. There you go. That's the buyers right there. So the seller, let me see if the sellers are coming in again. No, not really. No, not really. So it's gonna go higher. Oh, definitely gonna go higher. I'm looking for entry for a put. So the buyers are in, but the sellers are there. The buyers are in, but the sellers are there too. The sellers seem that they're strong and keeping the price. If I'm not going up, sellers are not strong enough. Sellers are not strong enough. So we're looking at that. Sellers are not strong enough. Sellers are not strong enough. That's what I can take from this one. I would like to enter right here, but the sellers are not strong enough. Yeah, the sellers are definitely not strong enough right here in this one. It's giving me an idea of where the market might go. So that's why it's up there. So I can look at it and see what's happening. So let's see where this one is going. This indecision. So you know the market probably turn. So give it time. I'm looking for that sniper entry, people. Yes, because I've seen it. I've seen it happen so much time. Yeah. I missed it, people. Missed it, man. I missed that move downwards. Guess I was too slow. That would be a good ass move right there. Be here. Let's see Fibonacci. See what is it really saying right here? Hmm, it's a possibility. Maybe a nice move down to VWAP and then back up there. That would be a good move too. That's what the fib is saying for a long. Right, let's see if we can get a good move upwards. Because that's where the momentum is going right now, upwards. So let's see if we can get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. trending upwards. So let's see where it goes from here. Buyers are in, people. The buyers are in. Pushing it higher. That's one. So the market is definitely trending up, you see? See, it's trending higher, so you know the upwards momentum is there. See if the sellers are coming in. Is the seller strong enough? I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced that the sellers are stronger. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if the sellers are stronger in this one, which I doubt it. But you never know. Let's see. So the buyers are there pushing the price up. Oh, buyers are stronger right now. Hmm. Volume is increasing. So you know a lot of people coming in the market. Let's see what direction they're gonna push it now. Because this is a resistant level. So let's see. Let's see what happens if it's gonna break through the resistant level and hold above it. Is the momentum changing right here? What do you guys think? You think the momentum is changing right here? I hit it to the downside. I don't know. But let's see. But there's a lot of sellers coming in. Yep, a lot of sellers coming in, but it seems that the buyers are stronger. But a lot of sellers are there. A lot of sellers are there, so let's see what happens. A lot of sellers are right there, people. So let's see what happens. Let's see if the sellers are stronger. You notice this red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Mm-mm. Not a good sign, man. So it's trending up. That's for real. It's trending up. It's trending up. So you know I've been watching it.
See, it's pushing even higher right now, which is crazy. Hmm. Let me see that entry point. I don't see any entry point right now. Buyers are coming in, people. I'll draw for the fibs. I don't know where the market is going right now. I don't know. I just have to watch and see if it aligns with my setup that I would trade. But I haven't seen an entry right now. I haven't seen anything that I would want to enter in right now. So I just have to watch it. If it's running, let it run. I'm not even running it down. Not even chasing it. But I would love to get that move downwards though. So let's see what happens. So I'm in the trade, people. I don't know if it's gonna work, but if it works, I would take it. This is my take profit area right here. This is where I would take profit. This is where I want to take profit, people. Sellers are coming in. Sellers are coming in, people. Sellers are coming in. This is where I want to take profit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is where I want to take profit. Clot. Fuck. Oh, damn it, man. Don't even trade no more. That's it. Mm. That's it, people. I have no more money to trade. Mm. Could have gotten out right here, exactly, but I was waiting for it to hit my profit target and it didn't. Reverse, man. All right, people. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow and we'll do this again. Hopefully, we leave with some profits tomorrow. So let's see. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you tomorrow. Walk good and take care. Okay, people? Take care.